All right, welcome to the first episode of I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so here's the deal. I changed the oil in this thing the other day, and after I did, it started leaking oil from somewhere in this area. So today, we'll put some oil in it and see if I can't figure out where this oil leak's coming from. All right. So, let's see if we can figure this out. Oh, you son of a bitch. There we go. There we go. All right. So, again, it was leaking. I don't know why, but look at all the rat turds. All right. This thing's been sitting for a while. Anyway, so the oil was pulled up right here. I have no idea how it was pulled up right there or why, but that's where it was at. Anyway, so we're just gonna run down the road in it real quick, and we will see if we can't figure out what's wrong with it. Well, damn, the brakes is working. Oh, hell. The brakes are locked up, I believe. Hellfire. Thing got all kind of problems now. Then they look out the driveway. What in the hell? So it was going to drive. I don't know if I should take off down the road in it or not. Let's just see. Let's just see what happens. What the fuck? Well. That not good. Oh, sketchy. Gotta love old wheels. So I guess I'm gonna just try to get it back to the house. I don't really know what's up with the brakes, but I guess I have to figure that out too. Holy shit. Come on, buddy. Haley's probably like, what the fuck? Fun times. Damn, I slid all the way down there. Alright. At least we made it back. Holy crap. Let's see if it's leaking. Definitely leaking. That's it. Whoever knows how to fix this, let me know. I need some help. Yeah. And I got to figure out the brakes. If that doesn't convince you that I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what will. Came out here to see where this thing was leaking oil. Now it doesn't have reverse. And the back brakes lock up when you barely press the pedal. So, at least it runs, I guess. So I guess if you want to see me mess this thing up some more while I'm trying to fix it, tune in.